Let's dive right into the world of cryptocurrency exchanges, starting with the features offered by Crypto.com, Coinbase, and Bybit. Crypto.com is known for its wide range of features, including staking, loans, and a payment card. Coinbase, on the other hand, offers a user-friendly platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, as well as educational resources for new traders. Bybit, however, focuses more on leverage trading, offering up to 100x leverage on certain trades. Each platform has unique features to cater to different needs. Now, let's look at the pricing. Crypto.com offers competitive trading fees with additional discounts for users who stake their native CRO tokens. Coinbase charges a spread of about 0.5% for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, in addition to a transaction fee. Bybit, on the other hand, uses a maker-taker fee model, which favors traders who add liquidity to their order book. This makes Bybit's trading fees potentially lower for active traders. User experience is crucial in the crypto space. Crypto.com is praised for its sleek design and intuitive interface, making it easy for both beginners and experienced traders. Coinbase is known for its simplicity and user-friendly design, which is perfect for newcomers. Bybit, while not as beginner-friendly, offers a robust and detailed interface for seasoned traders. It's clear that each platform caters to a different user experience. Integration is another important factor to consider. Crypto.com and Coinbase both offer APIs for third-party integrations, allowing users to manage their portfolio from other platforms. However, Bybit does not offer this feature, limiting its versatility. If you're looking for a platform with strong integrations, Crypto.com and Coinbase stand out. On the performance front, Crypto.com boasts a high-performance trading engine capable of processing large volumes of trades. Coinbase, while reliable, has faced issues with downtime during periods of high volatility. Bybit, however, prides itself on its high-speed matching engine, which ensures minimal downtime and reliable performance, even during peak trading times. Security is paramount in crypto. Crypto.com employs robust security measures, including cold storage and 2FA. Coinbase also has strong security protocols, including insurance for digital assets. Bybit uses multi-signature wallets and employs advanced security protocols to protect users' funds. All three platforms take security seriously. Customer support is essential in any service. Crypto.com offers 24/7 support through live chat and email. Coinbase, however, has been criticized for slow response times, although they do offer phone support for urgent issues. Bybit offers 24/7 support via live chat and email, with a reputation for quick responses. After comparing all aspects, the winner is Crypto.com. It offers a wide range of features, competitive fees, strong security, and excellent customer support. It caters to both beginners and experienced traders and has robust third-party integrations. While Coinbase and Bybit have their strengths, Crypto.com provides an all-rounded platform suitable for various types of users. That brings us to the end of our comparison. We hope it helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more comparison videos. Thanks for watching.